I want to show you how to make the most delicious breakfast tortilla wrap. It's very simple and it's so quick. Add 1 egg to a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it up. To a pan, add a little bit of butter and heat it up on medium heat. When butter melts completely, add the egg mixture. Make sure it's spread evenly. When the egg is halfway cooked, add 1 tortilla. I recommend to use uncooked tortilla. I like to press it with the spatula to help the egg stick to the tortilla. Don't rush to flip it over because if the egg is not fully cooked, it will be difficult for you to flip it over. Cheese will go first. I'm adding mozzarella and parmesan. Then you'll add the meat. I usually add ham or turkey. Then you'll collect both sides toward the center. Flip it over and gently press on it. Then I'll add some butter to get the tortilla a little more crispy. Then flip it over to get the butter on the other side as well. And also I'm frying this on medium heat because I want the inside to get hot and nice. Okay, we're done with frying. I love to have avocado for breakfast, so I'll top my tortilla wrap with some avocado. If I have small avocado, I like to cut it diagonally to make it look bigger. That's what I'm doing here. Everything bagel seasoning on top. Breakfast is served. Okay, let's cut and see how it looks from the inside. Just look at these layers. It's cheesy, you have egg, meat, avocado on top. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching. Put a like if you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe for more and I'll see you again soon.